So strong. I'm not really sure if I can even win at my full power. Just have to hold on a little more. I can't hold it anymore.
Who are you? No, I don't need to know. Do you honestly think you can win?
No!
You've done it now. You've ruined my dream of eternal life and youth. I was so very close, but the Dragon Ball's petrified. Too bad for poor Vegeta, but even more for me. It's the very first time I have been made such a fool of. How dare you! How dare you, maggots! I will torture you slowly! What?
I'm here to help.
You are still there. Pop up like ants! Fine. I'll just kill you all!
Someone's Super Saiyan.
What crazy power!
Oh shit.
There's no way I can win!
You honestly think four ants can really beat a dinosaur?
I do! If we band together, we might actually be able to win! I'll have you feel the power levels are rising! I am Goku, the Super Saiyan you fear so much!
I was wondering what you were going to say. Know how to push my button!
You have to protect everyone while you're fighting Frieza!
Are you a Saiyan? Yet another surviving filthy monkey.
That combo
Transform,
though.
Frieza! Why don't you show
Oh, shit.
everyone your form right now? Transform?
Oh shit, they're dead.
There are some aliens who can transform when a particular situation calls.
You want to die? That's it. I'll warn you, I have 3 more transformations. I'll show you all. Here's a little reward for angering me.
Impossible.
Gohan survived.
Into his final form. The history's completely changed. And now, Goku will be back in time.
Eat poop. Eat my poop.
Have a plan on how to win? So,
You're really confident, Vegeta. Oh,
shit.
Did you go crazy?
Gohan surprisingly surviving without a little bit of
you
help.
can, Frieza. For I am the Super Saiyan that you have feared
Oh
your
shit.
entire
No.
life.
You make the worst here.
Ah damn it, he died. Ah shit. Ah! He's He's just running. Finally. You. Shit.
This is no fun. You seem to have lost the will to
Oh
fight.
shit. Oh shit.
But I guess I'll finish you off.
Damn it.
You novice! We're going back to the...
Damn it, I died. No. No.
What a crazy power! There's no way I can win! You
I'm already died. What the
can
fuck?
really beat a dinosaur.
I do! If we band together, we might actually be able to win! I'll have you know the power levels
Oh,
are
shit.
rising!
I'm already very low.
And close to becoming the Super Saiyan you fear so much!
Damn it!
I was wondering what you were going to say.
We're out to protect everyone while you're fighting Frieza!
Are you a Saiyan? Yet another surviving filthy monkey.
Transform, Frieza! Why don't you show everyone your real form right now?
Come on, go on. Come on, go on. Yes. We already seen this.
Impossible! He went directly into his final form! The history's complete!
Oh shit!
Now, Goku won't be back in time!
Shit, I gotta help. I need help.
I'll show you something!
Do you have a plan on how to win?
So,
You're really confident.
Eat poop.
smile while you still can, Frieza. For I am the Super Saiyan that you have feared your entire life!
Damn it.
You make the worst jokes.
Go on. Eat poop. Oh shit. Eat my poop. Oh shit. We are seeing this.
This is no fun. You seem to have lost the will to fight. It's a bit too soon, but I guess I'll finish you off.
Sorry to kept you waiting.
Another Namekian. What the hell? Vegeta is done. I'll play with Beats. You're quite strong.
Damn it.
I almost want you for Mandalay.
If Piccolo dies,
Damn, Piccolo took tons of hits.
sorry I'm
Yeah, you
late.
can help.
I'll take care of the rest. After all, listen. Destroy our home. The home of the Saiyans. Planet Vegeta. Please. Please defeat Frieza. Defend our race. Please. Vegeta.
You're not dead yet. Such a fine heart.
I'm a Saiyan, raised on Earth.
Come on, Goku, I'm doing everything.
And the Namekians. And all the countless, helpless people you mercilessly
He's already
killed.
dead. Should be
I
dead.
will defeat you!
What a fool.
Frieza, can I ask you to do something? I'd like to ask if you give me a little bit of time. I don't know if it'll work, but there's something I have to try.
Finally. Protect him.
He's using the spirit
Oh shit.
Please, we have to buy some time. It's real simple. If Goku can shoot the
No,
spirit
no, no, oh shit.
history will be corrected. All of the planets in the solar system and everything in the galaxy, please share your power with me.
You're not bad.
Absolutely
Good,
incredible.
it's good.
No way!
Mr. Piccolo!
Fine. I'll just kill you all.
Stop it, Frieza! Goku! How dare you! You are going to pay for this! That's enough, Frieza! Now I'm mad! The history up to this point is corrected.
Okay, this should be
Now all you
fun.
have to do is
Get him, get him.
Stop.
Come here.
Dad? What's going on?
Go on. Say, go back to Earth. Out of here while I still have some control over myself. Go now!
Oh shit.
Thank you, Dad. I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting for you to come back.
For what you have done.
Who are you?
No. I'm a saint from Earth. And I came here to beat you.
Oh, knock it off. He's gonna do his death
Has
ball.
awakened the legendary warrior in my heart. I am Goku. And I am a Super Saiyan!
Oh shit. Iku Aki IS. I'm gonna have to stop here because I'm out of time.
Astounding.
Next, I'll finish this thing, this Sokka, and then start Cell Sokka.